Here we go, mostly done. Cut the frame in half, extended it 4 inches just to fit the motor and the gas tank. Mounted motor plate. The motor is originally the Predator 420. 349 is the model number. So it's the Hemi, but it currently has the intake, a 308 cam, billet connecting rod, motorcycle muffler, belt to chain drive, frame extended 4 inches right in there and 1 foot back here. Not finished yet. More to come. Hit it on the road. It topped out at 57.1 earlier. It's just now drivable. This one is for the speedometer. And the odometer, 1 mile on it. Kill switch to be done. That is a 2.4 gallon motorcycle gas tank. Brake lights will come. And it runs. Also got the heavy duty valve springs put in. It's got the heavy duty valve springs. And that's it. Later will be a ride video and a finished video.